Click, watch, and make money. This is a 100% free approach. Therefore, if you are not in the United States, don't be concerned. I'll now provide you with 3 websites and apps to help you maximize your profits so you may generate many streams of money constantly. So what I'm about to show you is this first website, where you can simply watch videos or video advertisements and make money in just a few minutes, with no skill or experience required. But stay with me until the end because I'll be showing you a total of 3 websites with a lot of real-life examples. To avoid making a mistake, you must first follow all the steps I'll show you in this video, precisely how I'll do it, and then try it out yourself. Take a look at how you may make real money from your favorite brand by working online. Step 1 is to just view video advertisements, and they will tell you how much time you should spend watching those videos. And they will reward you and pay you on a daily basis based on how long you watch. Now, after watching those videos, you can earn extra bonus money by answering some extremely simple questions. That's fine, don't worry. I'll show you precisely how to do so, as well as how to conduct a quick survey, so you may earn anywhere from 50 cents to $3 per video you view. Here's a bonus tip I'd like to share with you. As you can see, they're going to pay you an extra $1 for every friend you refer to, which is another additional source of income provided by this website. You can also download offers from the brands you love, so make sure you watch all the way to the end to learn everything in greater detail. For this website, once you have earned $10 or more, you can start cashing out your money, and the best thing is that you can get real cash and real money in as little as 24 hours. This company has paid out over $6,000 in cash and rewards in the first year. This is a brand new website that no one has ever heard of before, and no one else seems to be talking about it. As you can see, getting paid to watch video advertising and complete online surveys is really simple. They provide you with a variety of payment options too. For example, you can select to get your payment by PayPal, a bank transfer, a gift card, or a donation. I want you to pay close attention and take a look at AdWallet is a free application. They're 100% free and available in the Apple Store and also the Google Play Store. So you can simply download this app for free and start using it right away. To sign up for this opportunity, all you need is a mobile phone and an email account. Now have a look at these and other special tips for you, such as using the promo code FAQ during sign up to earn an extra $1 for free, simply by creating a free account. Let me quickly show you inside the Google Play Store. The logo looks like this, and the name is AdWallet. Make sure you search for and download the correct application. They'll now show you your balance when you log onto your AdWallet account on your phone. They'll show you new videos and advertisements that you can watch and earn money online based on how much money you've made on this app. For example, as you can see, there are 3 new videos available for you to watch, and you can earn up to $3 for each video you watch. You can withdraw your money once you've earned it by viewing advertisements.
If you guys are enjoying this video, don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe to the channel. Now, let's get back to the video.
Now let's go on to the second website, bucksinside.com, where you may earn money online by viewing advertisements and being paid every 10 seconds. It's extremely simple, and all you have to do is browse all of the different advertisers' websites and you can cash out your money instantly within 24 hours and receive your payment right away. The best part about this website is that you can start cashing out your money as soon as you reach $2. Even watching the advertisements on their page earns you money. This is a real basic and easy way for anyone to generate money on these websites because they handle many currencies. This website now rewards you via a variety of payment methods. There are many various payment choices available, such as Payza, AdVcash, Gold Money, PayPal, Perfect Money, and so on. Now these are some more examples of advertising that you may see. If I click on this one, I'll be taken to this website, where I only have to stay for like 30 seconds before closing it out, and they'll credit you with all of the money, and you can do it again and again. For example, when you click on the next advertisement, you'll be taken to the next website where you'll have to stay for another 30 seconds in order to be paid. It is important that you complete the task correctly in order to be rewarded. If you want to register for this website, go to the registration page and click the register button, and you'll be taken to this page. When you get there, you must enter your email address and username, as well as the currency in which you want to be paid with. You must then select your payment method for a variety of options. Enter your birth year, and then click I declare to have read, understood, and accepted the terms of service. Take advantage of these opportunities since they will provide you with even more opportunities to generate money in the future. You can register for a free account by clicking this button once you've completed the sign-up process. Now for the third website where you may earn money online by viewing commercials is Success Bucks. You can earn money by conducting online activities such as viewing advertisements. Now I'll show you how to create a worldwide account if you're coming from outside the United States. Let me show you all of the people who are making money on this website. As an example, you can see here $1.20, $2, $1, $3, and $2 over and over again. As you can see, people are cashing out actual money on this website on a daily basis. After you register for your free account, you may begin watching advertisements and performing various basic tasks, such as surveys to begin earning money, which you can then take and cash out. There are a variety of methods to earn money on this website, including seeing advertisements, taking surveys, participating in contests, redeeming offers, listening to music, performing basic tasks, and referring others to earn money. On this website, there are a total of 7 different ways to generate money, but in this video, I'm going to focus on seeing advertising because it's actually quite simple and requires no investment. If you want to sign up for this, simply click on the sign up button. You'll proceed to this page and enter your full name, password, username, and email address before clicking the register button. You'll find different methods to generate money online by viewing advertising once you check into your account. There are numerous popular and well-known companies, such as AdClickWall, Personal Wall, and Extra PTC ads. There are so many various ways to make money. So many different websites all in one location that you can click on to get started. Another really useful tip I'd want to offer you is that when you go to this website and join up, you should concentrate on AdGatewall since they pay the most money, and ClicksWall is the second firm you should concentrate on. Make sure to pay attention to both the ClicksWall and AdGatewall. We can then begin by viewing advertisements, for example, after which you will be credited with all of the funds in your account. Again, you don't have to click on anything. Simply ignore them and ensure that you stay on the website for at least 30 seconds in order to credit your account with the money. Finally, for those of you who are still watching, I'd want to share with you an additional tip. You may earn extra money by just referring others to this website. You can see here that you can obtain a commission of 20%, 40%, or even 100% by simply recommending other people to Success Bucks. And when they make money, you can get money as well. This is an excellent passive income technique in addition to merely viewing advertising to make money. Essentially, this is another additional technique for making money on this website.
And that's it. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and click on the notification bell, smash the like button, and I'll see you in the next video.